I spent months testing over 100 AI tools, and honestly, most of them were a complete waste of time. But seven of them actually put money in my bank account. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which one and exactly how I use them. I'm also going to tell you what each one made me because I think that's what actually missing from most AI content out there. Everyone talks about these tools can do, nobody tells you how much they made. I tested 100 AI tools, 93 of them didn't make the cut, but 7 of them actually paid me. In 1 week, I made 12,000 plus. Now I'm gonna show you one by one. Tool number one. Tool number one is Claude. This one is responsible for most of my AI income, and here exactly how. I offer content writing service for a small business and they pay me 500 USD a week. Cloud handles the draft and I spent about 20 minutes editing each piece and deliver for client. That's 2000 a week recurring. And the thing make this work is Cloud project. I set up a separate project for each client and their brand wise, their tune, their product, their audience. Claude knows each client completely before I even start. So every draft already sound like them. I would suggest for you start with two local business, charge them 300 USD to get your first testimonial. Tool number two is ElevenLabs. I listed one voiceover account in Fiverr, a professional AI narration, 24 hours delivery, 40 USD per minute of audio. First week I made 800 USD. The voice quality with 11 Labs is genuinely hard to tell from a real person. A corporate training video, YouTube narration, podcast intro, ads, scripts. Business need this content all the time, and most of them don't want to pay 200 USD an hour for a professional voice actor. You sit in the middle, the tool does the work, you keep the margin. Tool number three is Lovable. A restaurant owner I know needed a simple booking and menu tools for their website. Normally, that's a 3,000 to 5,000 USD developer job and 4 week time. I built it with a Lovable in 4 hours and charged it 3,500. They were so happy. Lovable lets you build real working web app just by describing what you want. Think about every small business owner you know who has tool idea they have never been able to afford to build. A booking system, client portal, a product tracker, you can build those now with Lovable. Tool number four is HeyGen. Three clients for 400 USD per week. That's 1,200 thousand USD a week in recurring income just for from a video. HeyGen lets you create talking head videos using an AI avatar. No camera, no studio, no face on screen if you don't want. Tool number five is N8N. This is where the bigger money is. I sold three automation setup to local business at around 1,300 USD each. That is 4,000 USD from three projects. I'm going to be honest with you, N8N has a learning curve. You give it 10 to 15 hours to really get comfortable with it. But once you can build automation, every business you walk into is a potential client. Almost every business has a repetitive work they would pay to have automated, and most of them have no idea tools like this even exist. Tool number six is Perplexity combined with Claude. I sell research reports to consultants and small businesses. Make research competitor analysis in this story overview, 300 USD per report, 2 hours of work. First week I sold 2, and that is 300 USD. The workflow is pretty tight. Perplexity pulls live cited data from across the web. Claude builds the structure, run the analysis, format the final document. I review it at my own perspective and deliver. Clienting this takes days to put together. That gap is where the value is. Tool number 7 is Beehiiv combined with Claude. I started a niche email newsletter. Claude write about 80% of the content Beehiiv ran the platform. At 800 subscriber, I landed the first paid sponsorship, 500 for one email mention. What I like about this one is that you own the audience. There is no algorithm that can cut your reach overnight. Sponsors pay percent, affiliate pay per click, and with Claude handling most of the writing, it takes me about 2 hours a week to run. So combining all these 7 AI, Claude make 2,000 per week, ElevenLabs make 800 a week, and then Lovable 3,500, HeyGen 1,200, N8N I made 4,000, Perplexity combined with Claude 600, and then Beehiiv combined with Claude 500 per week. So in 1 week, I make 12,600. The tools themselves are not the secret. Most people already have access to the same tools. The difference is using them to create something someone will actually pay for. That's the whole thing. I'm going to go deep on each of this income stream in separate video on this channel. If you want to see this, hit subscribe. New video every Wednesday and Friday. Drop a comment below telling me which one you're starting with. I will read all your comments.